So we come round the corner on a driving lesson and you can see the bin truck picking up rubbish, e-scooter flying around and a white car blocking the bin truck. Now, I don't know if the white cars actually drove forward expecting the bin truck to go into that small gap. So I don't know what's happened there, but me personally at this point, if I was a white car, I'd reverse right back, because what we've done is give the bin truck space to get past the red car and do what they've got to do. And that's what you've got to remember as a driver. If you see as like that, don't kind of get too close, because all you're going to do is embarrass yourself. And you can see that the white car's reversing into that space so the bin truck can get past. And that's what happens. And all he could have done was just reverse back and just get out of the way. But some people are in a rush, and I don't understand why they do things like that. Now, what's also interesting is while we're waiting, and you'll see in a few seconds, waiting patiently, give us plenty of space for the bin truck to get out of the way. Behind us is a silver car waiting, just like us. And then another silver car goes round the car waiting. Now, it's not pulled in this silver car that is directly behind at the moment. And it becomes apparent that it's actually a taxi driver. And I don't know what it is with taxi drivers, they're always in a rush, whether they think it's going to save a few seconds, get ahead of the learner. But there's not a lot of space in front of me, just enough space for the bin truck to get through. So it's creeping forward slowly, and he goes for it. He's thinking, I'm going to go for that now. And you can see the bin truck pulling forward, so that's what he's looking at. He's looking at the bin truck pulling forward, thinking the bin truck's going to pull out of the way, but his bin's there still to empty. So the bin truck stopped. In a few seconds you'll see the silver car go past me and try and pull in and block the road. And it's a bit silly really. So here comes the silver car as it's just passed me behind me. You can see him coming through now. And he's trying to get in to get out of the way of the bin truck. And there's no space. The bin truck guy is saying, you need to move back because you're in the way. Taxi driver's thinking, oh, I've got to embarrass myself here. All he had to do was wait behind us, or wait behind the silver car originally. In the end, he doesn't know how long the bin truck's going to be there, and he goes the other way. The bin truck drives off, and we move on. So the moral of the story is, give yourself space, don't be in such a rush, and you'll be fine. Take care, everybody. Safe driving.